There are three things which I think is going to influence the way we test software, and that's why I came up with this workshop. The first thing is the influence of artificial intelligence. I think AI has already started influencing the way we do test automation specifically because there's so many challenges with test automation which has been there for over 20 years now. And slowly, people have started to realize this and applying AI to solve these challenges. So, as part of this workshop, what I'm going to do is show how to train an AI based system. I'm going to talk about the challenges with test automation and how AI can help to solve these challenges and discuss the future of AI. The second part of the workshop is going to be risk based testing. So, applications are becoming more and more complex, and so it's all the more important to do risk based testing. So, what we're going to do as part of the workshop is do a formal risk analysis where we're going to take a live application, identify risks, then give different weightage to each and every risk we identify, then come up with a risk score. And based on the risk score, we're going to start testing the application. The final part of the workshop is going to be session based exploratory testing. What we're going to do is we're going to discuss what session-based exploratory testing actually means. Then we're going to pair up and do paired exploratory testing on a live application. And by doing that, you can see how you can apply your creativity and thinking skills while testing, and also you can apply this directly in your daily testing activities. So that would be the major things I cover in the workshop, and this is going to be really helpful to anyone doing software testing. So I'll see you there.